Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing kind of a little mini haul along with some items I've picked up so far from the VIB sale, plus what I'm still got on order and on its way. So if you want to see everything I got, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button along with that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to first start off by showing you some of the items I've picked up within the last week or so. Then I'm going to show you the items I have picked up from the Sephora VIB sale so far. I have another order in, so I'm going to go over those items with you. That way you know what I've ordered, because the sale has begun. It actually began last weekend for the Sephora VIB Rouge customers. And also this weekend, so it's going through Sunday. Again, if you're VIB Rouge, you get 20% off. Okay, so the way this is working is for VIB Rouge, both last weekend and then November 2nd through November 5th, you get 20% off using the code Rouge Bonus. If you are VIB, then your weekend is going to start on the 9th and it's going to go through the 12th. The code for also 20% off for VIB, this is awesome, you also get 20% off too. You use VIB Bonus. And then if you are a beauty insider or not even a beauty insider, so you don't even have to sign up for it, you get 15% off. That'll be on November 16th through the 19th. So I'm sorry, those are actually going through Mondays. Your code is BI Bonus. As in Beauty Insider Bonus. And again, you get 15% off with that code. So those codes are good both in-store and online for your purchases. So make sure you get these things before they run out of stock. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to go through the items that I've just picked up recently and go through those fairly quickly for you. I just did a video, and it's this eye look right here using this palette. This is the Pixie by Petra. It's the Ultimate Beauty Kit, and it's their 5th edition. So this is a limited edition palette. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So inside here, you get your mattes. There's 20 shades of mattes. Then you get bronzers, blushers, and highlighters, or again, you can use these as eyeshadows. And then you get 20 shimmer shades. So you get all of this, and you can pick this up at Target. It's $32. And again, it's limited edition, so once it's gone, it's gone. I've used it. I loved it. It's awesome, so do pick that one up. Then I also made a trip into Ulta, so I did a little shopping there. Finally did it. I finally got my hands on the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. So I took the other 2 shades back that I could find. I still have another one floating around my house somewhere. Hopefully it'll show up soon. So I did a video on this already as well, so be looking for that in a battle of the foundations. Then I also picked up the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. This is an F4, so I've got my hands on that. And again, there's a battle of the foundations coming up for that, so be on the lookout for that one as well. I also picked up, and this is by Fred Meyers, the Wet n Wild, and it's the Coloricon Nude Awakening palette. I guess that's the name of it, is Nude Awakening. I haven't even opened this one yet, so let me do that real quick since we're getting a nice glare. Alright, so after a lot of struggle, this is what it looks like inside. So obviously I haven't played around with this one yet, but you'll have to. I have another one of theirs. I think it's Rosé in the Air or something like that, but I really like that one as well. And then I got this little quad. This one is Sweet as Candy. Okay, and that is what Sweet as Candy looks like. What's nice about these two is you see they have like transition on here. Eyelid is the pink. Got your brow bone colors and the crease. So they really tell you what goes where. So if you are new to makeup, these are a great one to get because they'll tell you where to put everything. I also picked up another one of these little cute Essence palettes. This one is called Beautiful. And this one, of course, I had to pick up because it had the golds and the bronzes and the tans, just my shades that I happen to love. And last but not least is I got a new Milani Amore Shine liquid lip color, and this is in Charming. Actually, what I have on my lips right now, I love this applicator. It's just got such a fine tip to it and just a little bit of a curve, so it really hugs your lips. But these are so comfortable. They don't dry down at all, but they're really moisturizing to your lips. So that's the miscellaneous stuff I got. Now let's move on to the part one of the Sephora haul. All right, you guys, last weekend, so the first weekend of the Sephora VIB Rouge sale, I went into the brand spanking new Sephora that we have, and it's a little bit closer to my house than the other one I've been going to. What's cool about that, because it is brand new, all of the testers are brand new, all of the products, everything's brand new, it's fully stocked. The employees so far love their jobs. They're so sweet. I had like 10 people come up and ask me if I needed any help, and I mean, they were just wonderful in there. So I only picked up a few things because I really wanted to go and look at more stuff online. So these are things I knew I wanted to get. And the first one is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Palette. Ooh, you guys, I'm going to be doing a look with this. It does come with a brush, but I already took it out because I have already been playing around with it. But these are the shades. I will do swatches for all the palettes here at the very end of the video if you want to see the swatches. So it'll be, again, on all the eyeshadow palettes that I picked up so far. This next one is something I'm a little late in the game on getting, but I finally did. These are the Farsali Unicorn Essence, and they are the Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum Primer. It's a mouthful. I'm sure you've seen these where people take the eyedropper and they just kind of drip it down their face. I've only used this twice, and so far I really like it. I didn't want to like it because this is $54, but with 20% off, you know, kind of still made it expensive anyway. But yeah, these are really good, and they smell so good too. Oh, and it's pink, but it doesn't look like that on the skin. But so far, I'm really liking these too. And then the last item I picked up, I went back and forth between either getting the Ciate concealer or the Huda Beauty. This is the Overachiever concealer, and I picked mine up in the color Cotton Candy. I went with this because I watched a few videos with people trying both of them, and this just looked a lot more full coverage for me. Now, it's got a stainless steel tip on it, and you just squeeze the product out the little tube. A little bit goes a long ways, so don't layer this on a lot. Trust me, I made that mistake the first time I used it, and I just had way too much product on my face. But I think it did a really good job of concealing my under eyes today. So those are the items I already have. Now let's move on to the items that I have on order and haven't quite made their way to me because I just ordered them today. All right. First one is a Violet Voss Fun Size Mini Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm actually getting two of these because their normal price is $18 on them. I'm getting the Creme Brulee and also the Berry Burst. I'm going to insert some photos of these so you guys can see what they look like. So I'm going to get two of those. And then I'm getting the Ciate Glitter Storm Eyeshadow Palette. And that's normally $42, but I'll get 20% off that. I just thought that had such pretty colors in it. Wonder Beauty, the Wanderous Off-Duty Eyeshadow Palette. And I thought that one looked really intriguing as well. That one's normally $25. And there's the Too Faced Tickled Peach Mini Eyeshadow Palette. So this one has different shades in it than the regular, like the just peachy palette. I thought that was really intriguing. So that one's $26, so I picked that one up. I also picked up a couple of foundations, which are my last two things. Are at the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation. And then also I picked up the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. So that way I'll have some more foundations to show for my battle of the foundations. Again, these items are all on order, so I'll be getting them sometime next week. So look for those to be coming up in some videos here shortly. But that's kind of my quick wrap up on the whole thing. Don't forget, if you're ordering online, sign up for eBates. If you haven't signed up for eBates, sign up for eBates. I have a link down in my description box. Use it. You will get money back from just your regular purchases that you make. I'll have everything linked down below, but it's awesome to use eBates. If you're not using it, I don't know why. You have to. But if you have eBates, remember to use that when you do your checkout online as well. So I think that covers everything. Looks like my battery is about to die on my camera, so I'm just going to wrap this up right here. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Again, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Give this a thumbs up if you're going to be doing any shopping for the Sephora VIB sale. Comments, questions, anything like that, feel free to leave those down below. And let me know what you're picking up this out. I'd love to know what you guys are interested in getting. So until next time, I love you all. Bye-bye.